In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up on Clickbank from unsupported country, like even in country like Nigeria, Pakistan, and the rest. And you're unable to create Clickbank account. So this video, I'll be showing you how to create Clickbank account in all those unsupported country 2022 working method. Okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to have like a VPN. I make use of my like PC. Okay, so I make use of a browser separately for a Clickbank account. Okay, one browser, it might be Firefox, Chrome. Okay, so the first thing I usually do is I usually use this VPN extension, Urban VPN Chrome extension. Okay, so you just tap on it. It's very simple. You tap on it and you just have to add the extension to your browser. I cannot add because I'm in a private browser. Okay, I'm recording this video in a private browser because I can't like record it in my, because I have a Clickbank account there already. Okay, so when you add it, it will pop up at the top here whereby you can connect and the rest. And if you want to connect, you see something like this and you select the country, you tap and you see something like connect. It's very simple as you show in this image here. Okay, so once you have connect to US, UK, anyone, but may I make use of UK because I created the UK account. Because US account, they might ask me for like tax ID and they might verify US tax ID, so I created a UK account. Okay, so that done, it's very simple. Just come over to Clickbank here. Okay, but wait, let me turn on my VPN first. So I've connected to my VPN. I can see my location have changed to UK, United Kingdom. Okay, you can see United Kingdom. You can see the logo here, United Kingdom. So we can proceed now. Make sure you connect to the same IP. Don't change IP. Okay, it's very important. Okay, changing of IP might lead to your account getting suspended or they'll ask for verification. So you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, then to ask for your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address, password. Okay, so country, you have to use the country you used in VPN extension, and that's United Kingdom. Okay, so the first name, let me just put a random name. Okay, random name also. Okay, zone. Okay, then the number, you can get any random UK number online. Okay, let me just forge anyone. Okay, say plus 44. Then no, let me just search random UK phone number. Okay, we're able to see. Just search, because you're not, it's only just formality, you're not using the phone number to do anything. Okay, so these are some phone numbers: 7769. Okay, it's loading. That's why I'm unable to copy. My service is actually slow, so bear with me please. So come back, paste, then email address, enter your email address. Okay, so when you enter your email address, then you have to enter a password, and you can see in the password here, it said at least two lowercase, two uppercase, two numbers, two special numbers. Okay, so let me just do. Okay, so you just go down, accept. Okay, continue the terms and condition. Okay, so just go to bottom and accept, then click here to join. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm interested, but we are not in it. So after that, you go back to your dashboard. If you click no to still go back to the dashboard, that is promoting a store for you. Okay, but that's not part of the video. Okay, but if you're interested, you can go, you can open, they'll train you small, but I think later on you have to pay for it. So just like Clickbank promoting something to you so you can get. Okay, since you are a new affiliate, so click on complete my profile, scroll down. Okay, that's all. What is this? Complete my profile. Okay, so they ask you for your address. Just have to input a random UK address. Okay, luckily I should remember one. Okay, okay, so state. Just google random UK address because I remember one, that's why I'm still using it. Okay, city, I've forgotten the city, but let's just see. Let me just search BGPOPR cities. Okay, searching the cities with Bradford. Okay, just looking for a place, the city in the northwest of. So what are they asking here? Is this city? City in Bradford. Okay, sorry, let's go this way. City in Bradford. You don't have to. Oh, sorry, sorry for this. So continue. This payee name, make sure it tallies with the name of your Payoneer account, because I advise people to use Payoneer accounts, Payoneer, to receive money or Clickbank, because Payoneer offer like some UK bank, US and rest, but people sorry, Clickbank only pay in USD, so you have to connect a USD bank, and Payoneer offers that. So here you have to input the name in your Payoneer account. Okay, but this can be edited later. Okay, so I want to promote as an affiliate. Okay, my company's annual revenue. Okay, save.